Why?
Welcome to Igcse email writing. When we talk about Igcse email writing, we are talking about exercise number 5 in our Igcse English language, that is English as a second language, code 05100511. Let's start by analyzing how the question is always said. Remember, it is a compulsory question that carries 16 marks. So here is our question. Remember, always the question is accompanied by some pictures because of the copyright. That's why I decided to remove the pictures from this question. So let me read out the question. You and your family recently went on a day trip. During the day, something surprising happened, and you want to tell your friend about it. Write an email to your friend about the day trip. In your email, you should: the first one, explain where you went. The second one, describe the surprising thing that happened. The third one, say how you felt about the day trip. So what is the subject of our email? The subject is about a day trip. Now what if they ask you to write an email to your friend about your birthday? Maybe in your email you should invite your friend. So what will be the subject? It will be birthday. But for this one, the subject is a day trip. And of course, they encourage students to use their own ideas where possible. And the number of wordings is between 150 to 200 words long. So which means if you are using A4 size paper, probably you are going to write one full page or close to one full. So let us proceed and we look at the practical part of it. So the first one is we need to understand the most important parts of email that you need to consider when you're writing your email. The first one is sender's name, receiver's name, then salutation plus the receiver's name. Then first paragraph you check on someone, then you express the purpose. Then the second paragraph you handle your prompt number 1. The third paragraph you handle your prompt number 2. Then the fourth paragraph you handle your prompt number 3. Then you write your closing plus your name as the sender. So let's look at it. So here we go. You start with from, you put colon, then you put the name of the sender, that is your name as the person who is writing the email. Then the second one you write to, that is the name of your friend, the person that you're sending the email to. And then the third thing is you greet someone, that is the person that you're sending your email to. So you can either use the word hey, you can use the word hi, you can use the word hello, depending on the one that you want. Then you place a comma. Where you've placed a comma, below it is where you start your paragraphing from. So the first paragraph, you check on someone, then you express the purpose. There are different ways how you can check on someone. You can say, I hope you're doing fine. I am also okay. I am writing this email to tell you about a day trip. That is if you're writing about a day trip. That is paragraph number 1. Paragraph number 2, you expand your prompt number 1. What is our prompt number 1 saying? Prompt number 1 is saying explain where you went. That is paragraph number 2. Paragraph number 3, that is prompt number 2. Describe the surprising thing that happened. Then paragraph number 4, you explain and expand prompt number 3. So here we go. So with The last prompt, that is prompt number 3, that is where now you bring your email to an end. So how can you end it? After explaining your prompt number 3, then you need to tell someone that now you're coming to the end of your email by saying, I hope I will see you soon, or write to me soon, something like that, to prove that now you're coming to the end of your email. Don't forget to put your closing. You can put your friend, because you have written to a friend as a friend, so that's why we are using your friend, comma, then you put your name, just one of your name. Remember, the layout is really very important. Make your layout to be perfect, so perfect, like the way you are seeing it. Paragraphs well indented, the way how your work is looking like on the paper communicate a lot. So you need to make the handwriting to be neat, paragraphing, punctuation, everything to be neat. Otherwise it will give a wrong impression about yourself to the person who is marking your work. And remember to read through your work. After, when you're done writing, take your time, read through your work. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel.